HRT, that's the big hot topic. In 1991, there was a women's health initiative that came out, and it said HRT causes breast cancer, and that everyone on HRT should be stopped. There's many issues with that study. That study overestimated the risk. That study gave you it talked about a 26% relative risk of breast cancer. It didn't talk about the absolute risk, and let me tell you the difference. The difference is if you have 1 out of 10,000 women who are at risk for breast cancer, and that risk is doubled. Relative risk would say you have a 100% increase in getting breast cancer. Absolute risk would say your chances for getting breast cancer went from 1 in 10,000 to 2 in 10,000. That's a completely different outlook and perspective on that study. So that study created a lot of fear in women about HRT, and it's very unfortunate because estrogen affects the heart, and women are dying of cardiovascular disease at alarming rates. And estrogen affects the brain and can lead to, without adequate estrogen, it can lead to dementia, osteoporosis, and other things. So it's very unfortunate, all the fear that study created, the Women's Health Initiative study. So I went back to training, and I got training on that study and other studies and HRT and things like that. And it's very interesting, that study, because that study also used synthetic equine estrogen, and it used medroxyprogesterone, which we know that these types of hormones can lead to types of cancers like this in at-risk women. But we still give medroxyprogesterone to premenopausal women in depot shots, knowing that same risk. So where's the alarm there? So